Upon first use, remove the plastic screen protector and hold the Read button to switch on your new OPTi digital handheld refractometer. To access the Special Features menu, press and hold the Read button. As soon as Off is displayed, press the 0 button. Once in the menu, you can easily browse by pressing the 0 button to cycle through the options. Press the Read button to enter or confirm a selection. Here we can see Scale A is loaded with the brick scale. Scales B and C are currently unassigned. Within the menu, use the 0 button to locate the parameter that you wish to change. Here in the example, we've stopped at Scale B and pressed Read to confirm our selection. Scale B is currently unassigned. We know this as it is represented by a 0. Cycle through the available scales by pressing 0 and confirming your selection by pressing Read. In the example, we have chosen Scale 7. We can now cycle through the other options for Scale C. Once assigned, your OPTi now has 3 scales easily accessible. Now that the scales are loaded, the OPTi will display the chosen 3 options to you when you switch on. OPTi digital handheld refractometers let you view the temperature in either degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit. To change the temperature, enter the menu and cycle through the options using the 0 button until you reach the temperature mode. To enter this, press Read. Press 0 to cycle between F and C and choose your selection with Read. This will confirm and place you back in the main menu. To alter or set a new read delay, cycle with 0 and confirm with Read. In the example here, we are changing from a read delay of 25 to a new time of 10. To enter this, press Read. To protect your settings and hide the Special Features menu, you can secure your OPTi by setting a pin. To set pin protection, select Pin from the menu. Use 0 to cycle the numbers and Read to confirm each number of your designated 3-figure pin. Once the pin has been set, the OPTi will return to the read screen. The pin secures everything. When an OPTi has been pin protected, you will not see the Special Features menu or options to change scales unless you re-enter the pin. The OPTi was designed to take quick readings and to be easy to use. Switch on your OPTi by pressing the Read button. On startup, your OPTi will briefly display your 3 loaded scales before being ready to use. To take a reading, simply apply your sample either by pouring or using a pipette. Press the Read button. After just 2 seconds, your OPTi will display an accurate reading. Here we see a bricks reading, as was loaded onto Scale A. To read using a different scale, hold the 0 button for less than 3 seconds and press Read. Repeat this process to view all available scales. To display the current temperature, press and release the 0 button. This must be done for less than 3 seconds. Any longer will perform a 0 calibration. To perform a 0 calibration, clean any remaining sample from the refractometer using a clean tissue. Apply some filtered or distilled water. Press Read to confirm whether it requires a 0. Our example shows a reading of 0.1, which means we need to 0 calibrate. Simply hold the 0 button down for 3 seconds until a row of little zeros appear. Press Read to take a reading. When 0.0 appears, the instrument is calibrated. To calibrate or check the calibration of the OPTi with AG Test Mode, enter the Special Features menu, select AG Test Mode by pressing Read. Press the Read button and a countdown will begin. Our example shows that the AG test mode is valid, with a Brix reading that is temperature corrected in accordance with the AG fluid. This can be verified against the bottle of fluid used to make sure that the instrument is operating within its limits. AG calibration fluids can be purchased via your stockist or from www.refractometershop.com.